can make this awesome plant stand from 2x4s. Rip a 2x4 into 2x2s. Cut the parts on the miter saw. Assemble the 7-inch parts into a T. Add the 20 and 30-inch parts on the sides. Add the last 12-inch part. Once dry, pre-drill and secure with dowels. Cut the dowels flush. Sand everything smooth. Paint the bases black. Glue up some 2x4s into a board to make the tops. Cut rounded rectangles roughly on the bandsaw. Finalize them with some sanding. Stain them brown for a perfect match with the black base. Pre-drill the bases. Add dowels. Pre-drill the tops. Add them to the bases. Finish everything with wipe-on poly. All done. Subscribe for more builds.